Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a delicious pot of soup. We're going to use chicken foot, cow foot, and cow tripe. For the meat, guys, clean and ready to go. We're going to add that to a pot. In the pot, we're going to add 4 cups of water, couple cloves of garlic, and a bouillon cube. After that, guys, cover and allow to cook until tender. Here after 30 minutes, I'm checking for tenderness. And if that's okay, guys, I'm going to add the chicken foot. I'm going to add my mixture of vegetables. My mixture is pumpkin, carrot, and Irish potato. Adding all the vegetable, guys, just stir, cover, and allow to simmer for about 15 minutes. Here are the ingredients to make the spinners: flour, cornmeal, and a pinch of salt, and I use water to combine to make a dough. This step, guys, can be done with a spatula or just with your gifted tools, your hands. And I think that worked better, guys. This is a dough for our spinners, guys. Texture is just right, okay? We're going to cover and put that aside. I'm sorry, guys. I think I lost a clip where I made the spinners and add them to the pot, but that's okay. I'll catch up with you guys in the next video. And here I'm adding my noodle. I had my scallion, a scotch bonnet pepper, and sprig of thyme. And we're going to cover that and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes, and our soup is ready. Here is a final product, guys. The soup, nice, rich, and delicious. I hope you guys try to make this dish, and I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching.